Ivermectin. So this has become one of the standard in the prescription of the patients who tested positive for COVID-19. But the CDC has warned against taking ivermectin for COVID-19 after reports of tremors and disorientation from the deworming drug. The drug has not been approved for any use related to COVID-19. So the problem is the people has started taking this ivermectin as off-label use. That means without any legitimate prescription or doctor's advice, they started taking the drug on their own from unorthodox sources, that is from veterinary shops also. Why many patients have reported tremors and disorientation? The shocking truth revealed about the dangerous consequences of self-medication. Ivermectin is not yet approved by FDA or any other regulatory authorities across the globe. But people have started using this drug after a small study has stated that it is 90% effective in preventing deaths associated with COVID-19. Later on, the suspicion arises after research student from London has read this article about the 90% efficacy of ivermectin in COVID-19, and he stated about the concerns of plagiarism. So what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is nothing but it is a type of theft, that is copying someone's words, work and data, revealing it as their own work. That means it is simply nothing but stealing the work of someone. An article published from Egypt stated that the ivermectin is about 90% effective in preventing deaths associated with COVID-19. But the scholar from UK has revealed the statement that not only the words and phrases have plagiarism concern, but also the data, the values and especially the cases on which patients the study is revealed. Even the same patients have been reflected in some other study. Another important and interesting point here is that the patients reported in this study were actually died before the study started. Then immediately, without giving any notice to the original author of this research article, is withdrawn from the website. Many concerns have been raised whether ivermectin is really helpful or not. And coming to the FDA statements, FDA has clearly stated that ivermectin is not approved either to prevent or treat COVID-19, but it should be used only under controlled clinical trials. People have started using ivermectin as a standard off-label therapy. Without consulting doctor, hospitals, many organizations and many countries have included ivermectin in their protocol, including India. Even World Health Organization has also stressed upon this point. Ivermectin is a drug used to treat parasitic infections in animals, and only in certain cases at certain doses it is used in treatment of parasitic infections in humans. The problem occurred in patients who developed tremors and disorientation is mainly because they have started taking the medicine from veterinary sources. They have taken ivermectin at a dose and the medication which is formulated for animal use. The dose and the ingredients used for animals purpose is different from the dose and the ingredients used for human purpose. The ivermectin is used in larger animals, especially cows, horses, etc. And the weight of those animals are more than a ton. If the human uses the same dose at which the animals were given, so it will cause serious adverse effects, tremors, coma and even death. Self-medication is harmful unless it is approved by regulatory authorities. Be cautious and be more careful. while taking medications for COVID-19. Always follow skilled physician's advice. Ivermectin is anti-parasitic. It is used to treat parasitic infections, but it is not antiviral. Hope this information is useful. So for more useful information, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and support. Why? Because the more you support, the more new people will get the information. Thank you for watching.